everyone, my name is Romanie and welcome to another video in our science video series brought to you by the George Hall Early-On Center. Here we will be learning about the rain. Where does the rain come from? It is part of the water cycle. The water cycle is a journey that water travels from the lakes to the sky, down to the ground, and back to the lakes again. So how does water get to the sky? What's something very important we see when we look up at the sky? I'll give you a hint. It's bright, it's yellow, and it's hot. That's right, it's the sun. Let's sing a song about the sun. Oh golden sun, sun, golden yellow sun, please shine down on me. Oh golden sun, sun, golden yellow sun, hiding behind the trees. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh golden sun, sun, golden yellow sun, please shine down on me. First, we will do a science experiment to see how the sun is important in the rain cycle. We will need a jar of water and a marker. I'm going to mark where the water level is in this jar. There's the mark. Now I'm going to leave this in the hot sun for a few hours. What do you think is going to happen to the water in the jar? Will there be more water, less water, or will it stay the same? Let's find out. After a few hours, we're coming back to the jar of water. Wow, the water level has gone down. But where did the water go? Did you drink it? I don't think so. I think the water evaporated. That's a big word. Let's say it together. Evaporation. Evaporation is when the sun heats up the water and turn it from a liquid into a gas. This gas rises up high into the sky. Let's look up at the sky. What do you see? I see lots of clouds. Clouds come in all shapes and sizes, just like you and me. I wonder what clouds are made up of. Well, when water evaporates into the sky, it collects into clouds. That's right, clouds are made from very, very tiny drops of water. What do you think happens when the cloud gets too heavy with all that water? Let's find out. So we will need a glass jar, a mesh or a strainer on top, some water, some cotton balls, some food color, and a dropper. So we will add some food color to the water so we will be able to see the rain. So here we have our pretend cloud. We're going to put some in the strainer. Lots of fluffy white clouds. And now we're going to take our dropper, squeeze some water in, and pour it on our cloud. Let's see what happens when the cloud gets too heavy. What do you think is going to happen? Raining. Rain is falling, what shall I do? Rain is falling, what shall I do? Rain is falling. What shall I do? What shall I do, my boy? As you can see behind me, these are rain clouds. They are gray and darker. And do you know what happens sometimes after it rains? A beautiful rainbow comes out. Can we say all the colors of the rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and purple. So what we have learned today is that water moves in a cycle from the earth to the sky and back to the earth again. Also, we've learned a big word, evaporation. That's when the sun heats the water up and bring it from the earth to the sky. Thank you for learning about the rain cycle with me today. Don't forget to like this video on Facebook. Hope you had fun. Bye bye. See you soon.